Hello all, and in this video I am going to show you really quick um, how to get more instruments to show on your instrument panel in the score setup dialog box. So here, behind this I have a score that's blank. I'm wanting to put some instruments on it. I already have piano on here, but there's many different sets of instruments that you'll find on here. And so to have the maximum uh, number of instruments that Sibelius has, click all, and that's from the choose from drop down menu, or you can find a particular instrument like synth strings. You have synth strings 1 and 2. Okay, so you have that. And I'll just do a tape sampler keyboard. So that's how you do that in Sibelius.